So today we're going to open up this power steering pump. Came out of an old car. And we crack it open and see what's inside. See how it works. Crack off this backing. Alright, now, see what we got in this thing. Very nice. We have a outer ceiling, and then in here we have the power steering pump, motor. As it drives, I don't know if that was broken or what. As it drives, it turns in there, and as it spins, it turns the oil in there, makes a little pressure, and spins around. Got this inner dial here. It's going to spin as well as here. Little propeller shaft basically. And see if we can get this piece off. So it looks like there's a little ring here. Take that off. Oh. So basically, I was inside one of these.